A happy Independence Day. Let's 3D visualize the flag. 3D visualization in SolidWorks. In a school ground. Specifications and attributes. 3:2 ratio. Khadi or hand-spun cloth. Color scheme RGB values. 9 standard sizes of flag. Let's 3D design in SolidWorks. Sketching a rectangle. Applying dimensions. 900 by 600 mm. Equally divided height 600 mm into 3 segments. Let's extrude the equal segments to cloth or khadi thickness. Let's apply the specific colors. Applying saffron color. Applying white color. Applying the green color. Let's make the Ashoka chakra. Inserting pre-made chakra sketch block with 24 spokes. Let's print the Ashoka chakra on both sides of the white band. Let's apply the navy blue color into the Ashoka chakra. So completed 900 by 600 mm flag size design. In the same way, made the other two sizes of the flag. Final rendered images.